There are a lot of people, they have done mastery in English. Some of them, they have completed their all study from English medium background. But when it comes to speaking, they are unable to speak English. What could be the reason? Do you know the reason? If you know, then that's so good. If you don't know, then watch this video till the end. You are going to find the reason. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can improve your English, how you can speak this language fluently and effortlessly regardless of your environment, your degree and your place. See my friend, when I was a beginner, or I would say that when I had not started learning this language, that time I used to think like only those who have completed mastery in English, they can speak English. But no, I was wrong. When I saw that small children, they were also speaking this language fluently, then I thought that how could they can speak this language very fluently without having degree. And from there I got motivation. I thought that it seems I can also speak this language. Otherwise I had a dream to speak this language, but I was thinking it's too hard. My friend, I wasn't good at reading, writing, let alone speaking. How could I think about speaking when I was not good at reading, writing also? So when I saw that small children, they were speaking, then I decided and I started listening first of all. And afterward, I started reading. I didn't have any way where I could practice, speaking practice I would say. But there is one says, which is very famous, where there is a will, there is a way. When I thought to become a fluent speaker or when I thought to learn English language, ways started opening. In your case also, my friend, stop thinking about your degree. Stop thinking about your background, whether you are from English medium, Hindi medium. Stop from today onwards. Just think in your mind or decide in your mind that you can also speak this language, my friend. It's a language. Why you are overthinking? Why you are making it rocket science? It's a simple. However, it takes time. We need to know the reality also, but don't make it very difficult. If you think that only those who have degree, higher degree I would say, they can speak this language, you are wrong. See, I am speaking this language. Even you can take the example of small children also. They are speaking English. How? Because they decided, they were in that kinds of environment first of all. Afterward, they decided to learn English. Those who are very small, I would say that they can't decide, but their environment is like that. If parents are speaking, they will also start speaking, right? So in your case also, I would say put yourself in that kinds of environment where people are speaking English. First of all, if you can't do that one, then here is alternative. Just start listening more and more. Do you have mobile phone or not? You have mobile phone, that's why you are watching my video. Sorry, I'm joking. So yeah, see, you have mobile phone, now start watching video regarding English. Whatever you listen, whatever you watch, everything try to do in English. Like listening, reading, writing, speaking, everything. And then you will see that magic will happen. You will start understanding this language, you will start speaking this language. My friend, you would be very good at reading, I believe, because you have completed mastery in English. You are from English medium background. So I believe that you would be a good at reading and writing. But you might be not good at speaking. So as I told you, it's not the reason that you are weak or you can't speak this language. The reason behind it, you haven't tried to speak. That is why you are unable to speak. So here you got one work. From today onwards, try to speak this language more and more. Okay? Try to be in this environment more and more, and then magic will happen. As I told you, you will start speaking this language very fluently. But without doing hard work, no. You'll have to do hard work. You'll have to put effort from your side. You'll have to maintain consistency. So see, there are few people, they say that I can understand English, but I can't speak. My friend, you should be happy. There are multiple of people, they are not able to understand also. In your case, you are lucky enough that you are able to understand. And only you have to take another step, that is speaking, right? The person who can understand, now they can speak also. But the person who can't understand, for them it's very difficult. Think about this thing. Is it right or not? For you it's easy if you can understand English. But think about those who are not able to understand. I was also one of them. I wasn't able to understand. I had to struggle a lot. In your case, you are lucky enough that whosoever is speaking in English, you are able to understand. So now you have to take one further step, that is speaking. Okay? So if you know how to write, how to read, moreover, if you understand if someone is speaking, then start speaking. Then here question arises, with whom should I speak? Don't you have someone to speak with you? My friend, a lot of apps are there. Try to use them. Then you will find co-learner. You can talk to them. Okay? I know that first step would be very challenging. You might be, getting fear. You might get fear while speaking, but don't worry. Things are going to change. Okay? Because when I am sharing with you, little bit, that thing is reflecting in my mind, that what was happening with me when I was a beginner, what was happening when I thought that English is a rocket science, but now where I am. When I am sharing with you, all thing is going on in my background, I would say in my mind background. Okay? So you are also going through this situation, but things are going to change. The thing is that start listening more and more, start speaking. I was talking about with whom should we speak, right? So if you don't have anyone, then take your mobile and whatever comes, whatever you read, whatever you listen from somewhere, try to describe in your words. Okay? Describe in your words and see where you are making mistake. And there are a lot of people also, they say that how can I know about my mistake? No one is here to correct me. Why you are worried so much? Just make mistake a lot. Don't worry. Automatically you will work on your mistake, okay? Or other will also correct you. So my friend, don't worry about your mistake. This language is about your mistake. The more mistake you make, it means that you are learning a lot, okay? So if you are also someone who has been thinking that I make mistake, no one is here to correct me, then don't worry. Because in my entire journey also, I didn't have anyone who was correcting me. Little bit, my friend, they used to correct me, or now also, if I make pronunciation mistake, if I make grammatical mistake, then they correct me. So, but very few time they do like that, okay? But majority of time, I work on myself. I learn grammar if I feel that I'm making mistake. I work on my pronunciation if I feel that I'm making mistake. And I know that my pronunciation is not so good. So nowadays, I'm trying to improve my pronunciation. It is really very challenging for me. I'm also thinking like you that I won't be able to pronounce every word very properly. But no, I have come so far here. I have started understanding the things that we need to think positive. We need to think that I can do. So now, in reality, I would say I'm unable to do, but I keep thinking, I keep giving a positive message to my mind that one day I'll be able to, I would say that speak all the words with the correct pronunciation. Okay, I'm working on that one. In your case also, you need to give the positive message to your mind. Don't think about your degree. If you think, it will make you feel burdensome that, oh, how that girl is speaking, oh, how that small child is speaking, why I am not able to speak. As I told you, you haven't tried. Then try from today onwards. If you try to speak, I believe that you can speak this language. But if you keep thinking, and I think that overthinking, then you won't be able to speak this language. Okay? So From today onwards, I hope that you are going to do what? Listening, reading, if it's possible, writing little bit, and then finally speaking. These all things will make you fluent. Okay? And first of all, think positive that you can learn this language. It's a language, my friend, nothing more than that one. The way we learn other languages, in India, multiple of languages are there, right? So we don't take it, we don't feel bad when we learn other languages. We don't worry that much that why I'm making mistakes. But when it comes to learning English, that time we think, oh, I'm making mistake. What if I can't speak this language very fluently? People would laugh at me. Let them laugh, let them think. Allow yourself to make a lot of mistakes. Making mistakes, you are going to learn a lot of things. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you are going to follow all the things and improve your English fast way. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.